What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a little project. We're going to be basically rebuilding this Honda Hrx. We have a frame, and we actually have a 160cc Honda motor that will be going in. We also have another project that's on 180 right there, but that's something to come later. But this is the one we're actually going to be putting in. It was running and driving recently, according to the person I bought it from. But we'll be doing the once over, making sure it runs. These are all the goodies that he had for it, and he pretty much got everything. First part of this video is us going through this, laying out what we need to actually attach the motor. I want to test it first before I actually start bolting it up and get it in order. It's pretty dirty though. I'm definitely gonna have to go get it a wash. Hey, look at that thing. She's gonna run hot if I don't make sure she's clean. All right, stay tuned, fellas.